Hello and good evening viewers in Scarborough, North Yorkshire, United Kingdom, soon to be out of Europe. Don't forget, photography in a public place in a public space is not a crime. Badgers don't grant extra rights. And this is what all the hubbub was all about in regards to why the Futurist has gone. This is its replacement, an observation wheel. Now it will be opening tomorrow apparently, first day, 30th of July 2019, and it's an observation wheel. Now we've had newspaper articles in the Scarborough Evening News saying it was going to, generate maybe 30 to 40 jobs, and it would bring all this sort of new revenue stream into the town, and it'd be another attraction for the sea, for another feather in our cap. I am just curious though. I mean, if I zoom in on the booth where it operates from, which is that, I am just left wondering precisely how many jobs is this going to create, and was the Futurist employing more people? So this is the big hype, the big to-do, and this is the result. So I'm not too sure what to make of that. Only time will tell. Don't forget to click and subscribe. That's the little bell symbol. If you can't do it, then there's not a lot I can do for you. Leave a comment at the bottom. Tell me what your thoughts and feelings are. What any predictions are in regards to whether it will increase the tourism rate within the town, and anything else you want me to take a video of in particular. Observation wheel observed. Well, that's everything. Don't forget to take care of each other. Don't forget to show humans, animals respect and kindness. Take care and good night.